Hello bachcho, let's read this question. So the question says which of the following statement given below is incorrect. So out of these four statements, we have to find out the incorrect statement. Okay. Now first of all, first statement is that ONF is isoelectronic with ONF is isoelectronic with O2N minus. Okay, so what isoelectronic actually means? Isoelectronic means species having same electron. Okay, so we can say that isoelectronic are those which have same number of electrons. Okay, now for that we have to calculate the number of electron in both species. So here oxygen has 8 electron plus nitrogen has 7 electron and fluorine has 9 electrons. Okay, so sum of that means there are total 24 electrons. Okay, in O2N minus there are 8 electron in one oxygen and 2 oxygens, that's why we multiplied by 2. Okay, so 8 into 2 plus 7 electron in case of nitrogen, and there is one more electron present, so we have to add this also. So this is again it is equals to 24 electron. That means the first statement is actually the correct statement because they both have same number of electron. That's why we can say that they are the isoelectronic species. Okay. Now moving to the second statement, which is called as OF2. OF2 is an oxide of fluorine. Okay, is an oxide of fluorine. So here we know that fluorine is more electronegative than oxygen. Okay, so whether here always the more the oxide of fluoride, we can say that are called as respect of the more electronegative species, and here fluorine is more electronegative. That's why we don't say that OF2 is an oxide of fluorine. In respect of that, we said that OF2 is a fluoride of, okay, we say that OF2 is a fluoride of oxygen, not an oxide of fluorine, because fluorine is more electronegative than oxygen. Okay, I hope you clear this. Now, so that means this statement is incorrect. Okay, but we have to solve other also. So the other question option is Cl2O7 is an anhydride of perchloric acid. So first of all, what is perchloric acid? So perchloric acid is actually HClO4. Okay, HClO4. And when we see the reaction of this, so actually it formed with the help of Cl2O7. When react with water molecule, it formed 2 HClO4, or we can say that perchloric acid. That means this is actually an anhydride of perchloric acid. That means this statement is also correct. Alright. Now fourth option is O3 molecule is bent. Okay, so basically in case of O3, if we just see the structure of O3, it has a structure of this. Okay, here the hybridization of this is actually sp2. Okay, and this is because this here the angle is actually the 116.78 degree. Okay, this angle is 116.78 degree. That means it is not actually the 180 degree, so that it is straight. This is because of the lone pair present of this. So because of this lone pair, this angle is not 180 degree. So actually O3 has the bent structure. Okay, so the most appropriate answer of this question is, which is that means this fourth is also correct. So the incorrect statement is actually the option number 2. So the correct answer of this question is option number